Welcome back to Review with AK. Are you looking for ready-made local business templates that can help you save time and grow faster? In today's video, I'll show you local template store Fortune and how it works. You'll see the features, templates available, pricing, and whether it's worth your investment. Stay until the end for a complete demo and my honest review. Let's get started. Review with AK, helping you find the best digital tools for online success.
Hi, it's Don here, and welcome to Local Template Store Fortune. In this video, I want to give you a full walkthrough of my latest product, a done-for-you local marketing template store, and show you how you can install it in just a few minutes. Local Template Store Fortune gives you a professional, ready-made store designed for selling digital products to local businesses. Inside this product, I have packed over 2,500 unique designs for 30 local business niches. These designs are brand new, never released before, and can be used to create unlimited marketing campaigns, including social media posts, flyers, postcards, and more. As you can see, this is a fully designed professional website with everything already preloaded and ready to go. Right at the top, you have a strong hero section that helps the site make a great first impression immediately. We also have a search box here that instantly shows results as people search. Under that is the featured product section. Next is the category section, where visitors can browse each product category in a clean and beautiful way. After that, we have a section that explains why people should use the site and how they can get marketing materials that work. Next, we have a filterable products section where users can browse and filter the latest products by category. Then we have a simple how it works section that briefly explains how everything works. These products are already loaded into the site and ready to sell. There is no need to create products yourself, and no need to spend time writing sales materials from scratch. So here's one of the products on the site. You can see that the product page is very clean, detailed, and information-rich. You don't have to write any of these descriptions yourself. All the descriptions, tags, and download links are already added. And I'm logging into a test account on a live site with some purchase history. Here's the account with a custom design, where I can see the order history and access the purchased products. So here's the Canva design on the site. You can see that everything is editable. All of the other designs work the same way, and there are over 2,500 pages total. Let me tell you, the designs themselves are worth much more than the product's retail price. I'm even including a detailed how it works page that explains how everything works, making it easier for your customers to use the site. Now let me show you how simple the installation process is. I am starting with a fresh WordPress site. From the admin dashboard, go to Plugins and install a backup plugin. WP Vivid is the option I recommend, but I also provide backup files that work with all-in-one WP migration. Just search for WP Vivid and install this plugin, which has over 900,000 active installations. Once the plugin is installed and activated, simply upload the provided backup file and start the restore process. The exact installation time will depend on your hosting, but on most average hosting plans, the site installs in around 5 to 10 minutes. Once the restore is complete, you will have a fully functional website that looks and works just like the demo site, ready to use right away. All the inner pages and necessary functional pages are already created properly for you. So technically, you don't have to create anything from scratch. Even important pages like terms and conditions and privacy policy are already set up, giving you a good starting point without manual work. This done-for-you local template store is a great fit for entrepreneurs, local marketers, agencies, and anyone who wants a practical way to build a proven business in a high-demand market that pays local business. Instead of dealing with the usual research, design, writing, product creation, and technical setup, you get a ready-made foundation you can start from. In most cases, all you need to do is connect your payment method and you're good to go. So if you want to build a proven business in a high-demand market, Local Template Store Fortune gives you a strong ready-made foundation to make that happen. Right now, Local Template Store Fortune is available with early bird access, which means you can get the entire website for a fraction of what it would normally cost to build something like this from scratch. So if this looks like the kind of business you want to launch, now is the best time to get in. Lock in your early bird access today, and I will see you inside.